That forget about 400 par, even 200 par looks like a challenge. Why do you say so?
First two phases.
Yeah.
As you remember, the South has voted, whole of Tamil Nadu, whole of Kerala have voted, but also a number of districts in northern states, in Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and so on, have voted. See, in 2019, they already maxed out in all the states where they are strong in northern India. 6 states, they won every seat. 3 states, they won all but 1 seat. 2 states, they won all but 2 seats. Now, in all these states, they have nowhere to go but down. That's what people are forgetting. You ask them, how will you go up in a state where you already won every seat? All you can do is go down.
Prime Minister is driving right now that he achieved certain milestones in his 2 terms, like Article 370, and if Congress comes to power, there is going to be a sure shot revocation of those policies. How will Congress re-look at this situation if you are in power?
That is something that we will have to discuss once we come to power. Remember, we are likely to be in a coalition government. Many views will have to be taken into account.
Put up a united front in your own state like Kerala. Your own chief minister is very heavily criticizing Rahul Gandhi, scathing attacks on him.
And vice versa.
Same thing is happening in West Bengal. So, do you think there is an alliance in place that can inspire the voter?
We have been fighting the left in Kerala for 55 years. The power has been alternating every 5 years until the last election of 2 years ago. There was never any question that we could be on the same side in Kerala. But right next door in Tamil Nadu, CPM, CPI, Congress, our ally Muslim League and DMK are all together, and there is no debate, no dispute, no problem.
That this is a leaderless alliance.
Listen, first of all, we are on a parliamentary system, not a presidential system. In fact, Mr. Modi's failure is that he's running a parliamentary system presidentially. Number 2, when the question needs to be answered, it will be answered. Did you ever expect to see Mr. Devagowda as Prime Minister?
It is not necessary to give that clarity to the electorate at this point.
Look, each of us may have our own favorites.